Hey guys, just wanted to show you something I was working on. I kind of made a decision about how I make my videos and stuff, and I think y'all probably appreciate this a little more since I'm more geared up towards doing alternative energy and alternative fuels and things like that. Stuff I've been working on for years, and so I'm gonna start doing some more videos like that. So here's a little project I'm working on right now. A buddy of mine's got a couple of these Ryobi +1 batteries, and they quit taking a charge on the regular charger. So the problem with these things is if they get overheated 3 times, the little processor inside here turns off the charger circuit. So what I'm doing, these have been sitting for a really long time, and they had less than a volt in each one of these cells inside here. I took the back off of it. I'm charging each cell individually with my 9-channel charge controller I built right here. This is microprocessor controlled, so it won't allow any overcharging, and it keeps the current, constant like it should. So I'm basically just charging all these up to about 3.5 volts right there. There, we're good. And I'm going to check the output now through the actual battery BMS that's built into it, the controller, and we'll see how it does. Let's see here. Hopefully it works. It should, but I basically just bypassed it, so now that it's charged again. Yeah, see there? It's supposed to be an 18-volt battery. I'm at 17.2. So yeah, good to go. So I'll just put that guy back together, and he'll be a happy dude. He's gonna have some batteries that work again. There we go. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. There ain't much to these 18650 cells. You charge them up to 4.2 is the max, and 4.2 gets you the max output. But the problem with it is it shortens the cell life. Like these things, if you only charge them at 4 volts, they last a really, really long time. But yeah, I'll put that together in a little bit. But anyway, so that's fixed. I'm gonna fix this one next. Just really like these batteries, these 18650s. They don't really catch on fire too much because they have a safety switch inside. So if they start to off gas, it actually disconnects the power to it. So super cool. All the extra, like the thermal protection that they put in here. It's good, but these kind of batteries generally don't catch on fire that much. I mean, that's not really a thing that you have to worry about too much. Unless you use like a really cheap charger like one of these guys. I only use this for batteries I know are good. But anyway, this just it's the kind of thing I work on all the time. I'm always tinkering with stuff, building stuff, and just figured y'all appreciate this a little more than my normal videos about my greenhouse and stuff like that, because that's all new stuff to me. I'm not really any kind of expert at it. But this stuff here, I've been tinkering since I was a kid. I've always been taking things apart, putting things together, and figuring out how they work. And, took some classes and whatnot to learn more about it because I was always very interested in this kind of stuff. Alternative fuels too. I've been messing around with alternative fuels, hydrogen in particular. Hydrogen gas fuel and other stuff. I built a hydrogen hybrid car, Geo Metro, back in '05, and that thing got stolen out of my driveway though. But I made some videos with it. They're old and grainy, but that's all I got left of that project, but I did learn a lot of stuff about it. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start doing videos about batteries and, you know, sustainability, basically. Make your own fuel, and you know, like these guys, these are good for like 20 years, you know. These little batteries, if you take care of them, they're good for like 20 years, you know, using them every day. So, I mean, they do start to drop off in capacity, but they still work, you know. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna start working on. More geared toward that kind of stuff. I'll go over some other stuff I got here. Y'all let me know what you think. All right.